Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on here, go ahead and subscribe and join us because I'm always putting you guys on game. If you are an existing subscriber or supporter, I'm never gonna get tired of saying this. Thank you so much for supporting and subscribing. It means the world. So if you guys could just click that button if you haven't, it do a lot for this channel. But anyway, so I did the postpartum how to get rid of stretch marks, so I just felt like I just might as well do this because a lot of you guys really liked that video and it was very hard to make and put out and expose myself, but it was worth it because it helped a lot of you guys out. So yeah, before getting into this video, ignore the background. The green chair is supposed to be there, but everything else is supposed to be, we're like fixing up our patio. So yeah, you guys will see that video also. But anyways, getting into it. My hair was falling out by the bunches, and I know you guys are probably like, Carla, what? Like, how? And have in mind, guys, prior to having a baby, I would dye my hair all kinds of colors. I would switch from like blonde to dark brown to black to blonde. And if you know anything about dyeing your hair and stuff like that, you know that that's super bad for your hair. And even when I was doing that, my hair would not fall off like that. Well, postpartum, it did a lot. Literally, as soon as I had the baby. You guys can kind of tell, I'm just getting close a little bit. But like all right here, it was like, I was missing a lot of this. And I remember when I would put my hair up, I'm just gonna put like this. This right here was like way far back. Like I remember seeing a video of me with my hair up and I was like, what the heck? Like I literally have a big old bald spot right here. All of this, you can see a lot of it. All of this right here, this is my bangs. All of that was postpartum hair. A lot of it has grown and it's in my bun now. But it just like, it was falling off. It was just like, and I was brushing my hair and it would rip also. And I never had a lot of this, but after having a baby, it was so bad. And then I don't know if it was just my baby, but my baby was really pulling out my hair like all the time. And I felt like other moms had the same thing. I don't know what it is, but yeah. I know you guys are probably like, Carla, your hair looks crusty, like you could have at least did a little something to it. I didn't because I didn't want you guys to think that I curled my hair to make my hair look thicker or just like appear a different way. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys at the end of the video how my hair looks now. Have in mind it's in like this crusty bun. So yeah, so getting into the products that I used. Starting with, I guess, the shampoo and conditioner, because I changed it. I had another shampoo and conditioner and I had bought that shampoo and conditioner at a hair salon, and no shade to hair salons or anything like that, but it just was not leaving my hair feeling good, like feeling smooth, you know, feeling silky. It wasn't. I felt like I would wash it, leave the conditioner on for a while, and it would still feel really like rough, and it just had no real pattern to it. It didn't flow. It was just like there on my head. It was just really bad. The texture was rough. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but like it almost felt like, you know, when you put shampoo in your hair, it's almost like if I used Dove soap on my hair. Dove soap, yeah, on my hair. That's how it felt like, even after putting conditioner and shampoo. And have in mind, my shampoos and conditioners were hella expensive because I would spend like it's not a lot, but I would spend like $180 on my hair. But that's obviously more than a box dye. And I wasn't doing that every month, by the way, just in case you guys are like, what the hell, $180 on your hair? But getting into shampoo conditioner, I use this Beauty and Planet shampoo and conditioner. Love Beauty and Planet. I've been using this since I realized my hair was falling out. And this one is a turmeric and tonka essence, and it smells bomb. But they have so many different ones, and the reason why I like these is because, one, they're vegan and they're sulfate free. Sulfate free. I didn't think shit being sulfate free could make that much of a difference on your hair, but literally it's a huge huge difference. Okay, like just do it. And it tells you all these yeses right here. I'm just gonna read them to you. Yes, organic coconut oil. Yes, natural turmeric. Yes, ethically sourced tonka. Yes, safe for colored hair. Yes, vegan. Yes, with plant-based detanglers. Yes, fast rinse. No silicones. No parabens. No dyes. No guilt. Point is, it's done amazing things to my hair, guys. I highly recommend you guys to get this shampoo conditioner. You can get it in different they have different scents and stuff like that. You can get in different, I stock up. I get like 4. They're amazing. I think they're a good size for the price you're paying for, and they're just, I don't shower, I don't wash my hair every day, so I don't need too much of it, but still I stock up. Okay, another thing is collagen. I showed these collagen pills on my stretch mark video if you watched that one, but collagen is obviously good for gorgeous hair, skin, and nails, but it really did help with the hair. It helped a lot with the hair, so take some collagen. I forget to, I'm not perfect, trust me, but it'll make a hell of a difference. Obviously just the regular vitamins, I take these. I love these taste like Starburst. I'm gonna write them down below where you can purchase them. And this brush, I bought this on Amazon. Obviously at the beginning of, you know, this whole postpartum hair loss journey, getting my hair back, this was a big hassle because you're like and it's like forever. It takes you forever to detangle your hair. If you guys saw my stretch mark video, I let you guys know that my nighttime routine was just, it was pretty long, because I would do all these things to my skin for my stretch marks, and on top of that for my hair. I mean, try not to sleep with your hair wet, but if I would definitely brush my hair and then put it in a in like a bonnet, and like a silk bonnet, because it helps not dry out your pillowcase, doesn't dry out your hair. It just helps a lot. It just helps you from pulling it, you know, like, you know, I've done this too, trust me guys, where you get the brushing just like
and you could straight up hear your hair ripping the whole time. It's like
yeah, that's not good for your hair. That's also why you get like a lot of flyaways and a lot of frizz, because of the same thing. I'm not gonna say I don't do that sometimes, because I do. Sometimes you're in a rush as a mom, you're just like, you know. But if you, especially after, you know, you wash your hair and stuff and it's dried, go in with one of these. Okay, they're just like, and you can't really feel it, but like, I swear it makes all the difference. But yeah, also, I think everyone knows this, but don't brush your hair when it's wet. And I put an oil in it, which I'm gonna need my man to go get me the oil right quick. Hold up. Ooh, my man not only brought me the oil I was talking about, but he bought me one of these. Mountain Dew. Bomb. Okay, so I use this oil right now, but I was using a different oil previously. I really don't think it doesn't matter too much what oil you use. Just use a heat protectant if you are gonna do your hair, or even after. Like, as soon as I get off the shower, put some oil, warm it up in my hands, and just put it in my hair, and I let it dry like that. And honestly, it just makes it so smooth. But I use the this one's a throwback, to be honest. This one I remember this one from, like, it smells bomb too, but it's a heat protecting serum infused with coconut oil, heat defense and protection for thermal styling. But anyways, yeah guys, I'm gonna show you guys my hair now, but that's basically all of it. And it's gonna work. It's gonna work, guys. Like, if you do it, if you stick to it, it's gonna work. Oh fuck, I didn't even brush it. It's like all stuck to my hair right here. But I just want you guys to see how thick it is and healthy. And as you can see, it's not brushed, but like, it just feels so much softer. Like, can you see that? Like, can you? I'm just trying to get close. Can you just see how like it's just like, and have in mind I didn't brush it. All I did is, like, I put oil in it, like I said, And then I just kind of like put it in a bun like that, and that's why it kind of looks like a little wavy. But I didn't do anything to it, and look how thick it is, and it's super long too. Like, look, super long, super healthy now. Like, every time I go to get my hair done, Maria, she does my hair, she's like, oh my god, Carla, like, your hair has grown so much, what are you doing? And I'm like, girl, I switched it up, girl. And then she always asks me, like, do you want to take a shampoo or conditioner or whatever? Because usually I would buy from the salon with Maria, but I was like, no, girl, no, I got the secret, and this was why my hair is looking so good. And guys, this is no styling, no nothing done to it, okay? Like, just big, thick, voluptuous hair. And I used to have half of this. I remember I would put my hair in a ponytail, and I would be like, oh my god, babe, like, my ponytail's so skinny, like, it was like this. I'm so sad. But yeah, guys, I hope this works for you. I actually know it'll work for you if you actually stick to it and you do this every time you shower. You change the shampoo. Just changing the shampoo alone, girl, you're gonna see and feel a difference. So just change the shampoo alone, and then you'll be like, okay, you know what, Carla's right about the shampoo, maybe she's right about the other things. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Let me know what products you use, because I'm into learning and switching things up. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I stay with the peace sign. Okay.